What? So we're at the shop here with Dad, late in the day again. And what have you got done today?
Well,
things look cleaned up around here.
Yeah, well, I cleaned up after I finished. All these are greased. I'm not going to grease the wheels until I'm finished.
Okay.
And I made this last cover here.
Yeah.
And bolted on. I just wanted to grease them to make sure that we don't forget, because they're a little harder to get at.
Okay.
Then I jacked it up, took this blocking out. I had a little bit of welding to do under there that I had missed on account of the welding in the road.
Okay.
And then these joints here, I spot welded them.
Yeah.
So the welded top and bottom.
Okay.
Both, the last two there.
Yeah. And the other thing I noticed here is you got both skis on now.
Yeah.
And looks like some new bolts.
Yeah, the new bolts on both sides.
Yeah.
I had to drill the other one out. It was wore out 3/8. Wore out 3/8, right? So 7/16.
Okay.
They're on there.
Both sides, yeah. Okay.
This was broke loose here.
Okay.
So I clamped that down and spot welded. And I got this fitting in place now. I'm ready to, that last side cover.
Oh, right, yeah.
Screwed in, yes.
Okay.
But that's all I'm doing for today. Plus,
Okay.
I got I don't know if you can see in there, that elbow and pipe for the sending unit is on
Right.
there.
That's what you said you had to do the other day. So that's on now.
It's got sealant on it, so it shouldn't leak.
Okay. Okay. Well, you got a bunch of little tasks done here today that all needed to be done. So when are you putting on the tracks?
Tracks can go on anytime we get help here.
Okay. So we're going to try and get some help out here for the tracks. Dad's been busy here with the dogs all day. And again, I only showed up at the end of the day. Got to stop doing that. And but things are coming along nice here. We're going to take some photos for the customer, send them off to him. And he's pretty excited to see this coming together. And I think it's going to look really good. But Dad's still finding a few minor issues here and there.
That new sending unit for oil pressure.
Okay. And yeah, well, he still has to put the brake in here and a few other things, but just a quick update. And we'll see you guys in the next video.